ahead of him, man. You're 10 steps ahead of him. Keep it up, buddy. You in 10 years, you'll be unstoppable.
Say flipping ridiculous.
Unstoppable.
Flipping ridiculous.
Buddy, we're running late.
He's running late.
So today we're on our way to Lansdowne Avenue, Queen of Lansdowne. One of the new properties that we purchased. We're about to do an appraisal. Unfortunately, we didn't get the Ancaster property. The price that I offered, owner didn't budge on it, which is fine. So we're on our way to do an appraisal. Then we're gonna go head down to Coleridge Avenue, which is the property we closed last week. We're in the demo phase. I'll quickly pass by Gladstone, check on everything. Right now, we're just waiting for the permits to come in. On Riverdale, we're waiting on permits there too. We had first phase permits, which was the electrical, plumbing, all the roughings. But we have to wait on the city to approve us on our extension going back, which we shouldn't have any problems. But it's just a process. Enjoy the process in this business and don't let it beat you down, and just plan and put things in place to anticipate some delays. But yeah, everything's going good. We're going to be very busy looking for new projects, looking for new investment opportunities, because that's what we do. Flipping ridiculous. Chill!
Currently our first time viewing this property.
See the rest of the house?
You already bought it?
I see these things
I
all
knew
the time.
you would. So right now we're in 356 Riverdale. Demolition started this week, so it is a tad bit dark in here because there's no lights. Piece of the demo. Stairs to upstairs. Here we have a kitchen. A very, very outdated kitchen. So obviously that has to go. This was the den. There's our backyard, and you can see that demolition has begun. This was one of the bedrooms. Oh my god. This is scary. So here we had the bathroom, and over there was the master bedroom. But what has been done is they've taken down the wall to create one big room. Alrighty. Let's hope I get downstairs safely.
Hey, this is Flipping Ridiculous. We're on our way to Project Gladstone. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, man. I thought it was a real pig, you know. I was about to run, you know. Yeah? You see that? Oh, wait. That's scary. The things you see when you're flipping houses. Aisha, why are you dressed like that? That's flipping ridiculous. You shouldn't be dressed like that.
You're flipping ridiculous. You're dressing like me.
No, you're dressing like me.
Like me.
You're flipping ridiculous.